So, my name is Piotr Pieczyk and I'm head of the data governance, right? So I'm responsible for all data governance, data quality activities, including data catalog, data lineage, and I support the data privacy activities too. Yeah, the data is important because we made a business based on the data, right? We sell the cosmetic, we sell the product, right? So everything is the data, right? The data are around us, right? So it means that we need to keep the data under control to track the product, track the selling, let's say, outcomes in proper way. So that is the reason, right? Why we like to have that stuff under control. So honestly speaking, in the past there was some kind of ad hoc activities, right? So IT tried to bring the data under control, setting up some kind of data quality rules on the systems level, integration level, cloud solution, whatever. But so if this is just done from one point, right, IT, right? So this will not bring the proper effect, right? So you need to attack, let's say, the data quality from two corners, right? So the business one and IT one, and I believe that Ataccama allow that stuff, right? Because you can collect the technical metadata, you can collect the business metadata, stitch it together, setting up data quality rules, set up some kind of data ownership as well. So that is why we would like to use that kind of approach now. You have the data catalog, you have the data quality part in place, and even in the new release there is more functionalities that was required in the past. And last but not least, obviously, this kind of flexibility, right? So you can add some kind of business terms, some kind of layout. You can a little bit modified out-of-box solution, right? And this is something what we need because each and every company is different. First is data catalog, because each and every company starts from these activities, right? We are trying to collect all these, let's say, business terms. The second one is about the profiling, right? Because we need to profile the data. Then obviously in the new version you will get the observability, and the observability based on the data quality dimensions, right? So it means that we can then report some kind of activities on the one page in the nice way. And you support the data lineage, which is, in my opinion, right, one of the most critical elements, because you can identify the data quality issues. But anyway, without data lineage, you are not able to track, let's say, up and down and downstream the issues, right? So, and you need to make the root cause analysis. So you need the data lineage for that part, and you cover that stuff. And last but not least, you provide some kind of AI activities, right? So you can classify the data based on some kind of needs, right? From security perspective, this ABC, or this is the personal data. So all in one place, and I believe this is kind of data factory approach, right? And data mesh as well.